Hello everybody, it's time to begin the Christmas light preparations for 2024. Hold on, gotta cut that music. Don't want Neil getting all bent out of shape about that. But here I have a strand of 35 two-way flasher, and it calls for 8-volt bulbs or 7-volt bulbs. I did the math a little while ago, but I have 6-volt bulbs, so that's what I'm going to use. I think it will work just fine. I've done it before. But this is a real nice strand. Got the nice thick insulation on the wiring, so very high quality strand from the day. As you can see, it's got some mismatched reflectors and non-reflector types of bulbs, so I will get those all sorted out. And as you notice, every other bulb is not working. One of the circuits is dead, so I'm pretty sure a full relamp will bring that back around. I will set this up on a tripod and just do a time lapse of this. Well, good news. All relamped and fully functional. I like these strands where every other light bulb will flash or be solid, rather than the entire run flash. Much more aesthetically pleasing to my eye, anyway. Let's turn this light off. There we go. That's going to look real nice on the tree this year. So this is lamping a 35 two-way strand. Thank you for watching.